Hello, my name is Bob Evans and today I'm going to give you a quick overview of Porcupine retaining walls. Porcupine retaining walls are built using artificial stone blocks made from concrete. The blocks come in several colours and look attractive for gardens. Porcupine retaining walls are built dry and can be constructed by a local contractor or do it yourself with some training. Porcupine retaining walls are ideal for gardens and landscaping projects in the housing and commercial market sectors. There are two design principles for Porcupine: retaining wall gravity and soil reinforced structures. Gravity walls can be built up to 750mm using the blocks only, then concrete backfill is required for higher walls. When the retaining wall is over 1.5 metres, soil reinforcement becomes a more economical solution. Porcupine blocks are 200mm long by 150mm high and 330mm deep, and made by compressing a concrete mix into a mould. The blocks come in several colours including standard, buff, charcoal and red. The walls can be built vertical or inclined from 7.5 to 22.5 degrees. We can schedule the correct number and type of blocks for your project and obtain a quotation from the manufacturer, all part of our service. The design table was developed to help us create budgets. You can see how the design changes from different wall heights. Do not use this table for your project, as every site has different soil data and every retaining wall needs to be designed by a structural engineer. We can design the project for you on request. The question everybody wants to know is, how much does a retaining wall cost? To answer this question, we have created a retaining wall design and price guide. The guide details all the retaining walls on the website, provides a design guide to allow you to cost out the wall yourself, or you can use our cost table that we have developed. You can use the table to calculate a budget for your project. You can also compare the cost of different wall types. We have a 3-step process to support you with your retaining wall project. Step 1, help you select the right solution for your requirements and budget. Step 2, design a solution for your site and soil requirements. Step 3, prepare material schedules to obtain competitive prices using our supply chain. The next step is to ask us questions and tell us about your project. We can then support you to deliver it and probably save you some money. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.